Tower, that was a definite midair on short final. This is 4 bit box.
Switch at 540, Centennial Tower, 1 to the left, line up and wait, be ready to go, traffic Metroliner, 4 mile final.
Line up and wait, 17 left, exit you at 540.
Cirrus 6 Delta Juliet, traffic at your 1 to 2 o'clock a mile, about to turn base as a Skyhawk 6800.
Looking for traffic, 6 Delta Juliet.
Cirrus 6 Delta Juliet, fly towards the west shore of Cherry Creek.
West shore of Cherry Creek for 6 Delta Juliet.
Kilo 970, traffic 1 o'clock, 1 mile, 6,500. Cessna on final for the parallel runway.
Roger, Kilo 970, we're looking.
Cirrus 6 Delta Juliet, traffic you're following just turned right base. They're heading to the right, 6,600 Cessna.
Traffic in sight, 6 Delta Juliet.
Cirrus 6 Delta Juliet, follow them, runway 17 right, cleared to land. Additional traffic, north shore is the Metroliner for the parallel.
Traffic in sight, cleared to land, 17 right, 6 Delta Juliet.
Switch at 540, fly runway heading, runway 17 left, clear for takeoff, wind calm.
Runway heading clear for takeoff, exit you at 540.
Key Lime 970, runway 17 left, cleared to land, wind calm.
Clear to land, 17 left, Kilo 970.
That's 251, follow Cirrus, runway 17 right, number 4, clear to land.
17 right, number 4, clear to land, 251.
Tower 733 Tango Charlie on this frequency.
Cessna 3 Tango Charlie, ground point 8, thank you.
7.8, 733 Tango Charlie.
Cirrus 6 Delta Juliet, do not overshoot the final. Cirrus 6 Delta Juliet, do you require assistance?
Tower, Kilo 970, declare an emergency. We had, looks like the right engine failed, so I'm going to continue my landing here.
Key Lime 970, we have crews coming, continue inbound, runway 17 left, clear to land.
Continue.
Cirrus 6 Delta Juliet, if you hear this transmission, we have emergency vehicles, your direction. Cessna 251, do not overshoot final. There is an aircraft that is in distress just south of Cherry Creek Reservoir.
Yeah, they just pulled chute, 251.
Cessna 251, if you can give me an accurate location, we would appreciate it.
They're about 2 miles by those buildings right off 35.
Yeah, I see a parachute.
Yeah, the parachute is just south of the reservoir, is in the airport vicinity, just south of the reservoir, correct?
Yeah, about a mile from the reservoir.
64322 can confirm the parachute was directly in front of runway 35.
Thank you.
Centennial Tower, Trident 11 is way, just holding short of runway 17 left at Alpha 5.
Roger, there's an emergency in progress.
Cirrus 8 Juliet Sierra, it's going to be a moment. I'll be right with you as soon as I can.
Fine, thank you. 8 Juliet Sierra.
Tower, that was a definite midair on short final. This is 4 bit box.
Tower 203 Hotel, you want us right traffic? What do you want us to do?
Cessna 03 Hotel, you're following the Cessna that's off your right on final. Do you have them in sight?
Inside 203 Hotel.
Cessna 03 Hotel, follow them. They're a full stop. Runway 17 right, clear touch and go.
17 right, clear touch and go. 5203 Hotel. Tower 3 Sierra Papa, there's a Hawk. We're right between the parallels.
Attention all aircraft, use caution for a Hawk reported between the parallels.
Key Lime 970, do you need any assistance?
I'm going to taxi off here, and I think I'll just park over in Signature. I'm good, though.
Key Lime 970, roger, I appreciate that. And if you, just stand by.
64322 requesting the cross 17.
Cessna 332, stand by. We get some stuff going on up here.
Oh, I know.
Code 49, your whiskey, turn left into the ramp with me.
Into the ramp with you, Code 49 with you, thanks.
Tower, I'm going to taxi on Alpha here back to this northwest corner of the Signature ramp.
Key Lime 970, roger, approved as requested, and we'll get a crew out to you also.
Roger.